With this add-on, you can create and edit poses to use in Kimodo and load the final animations. Having installed the add-on, you can press this button to download the summer model that is needed to create the body model, and after downloading it, you can import, and you have the body model here, and everything is ready. So what you can do, you can go to the Kimodo, you can generate a prompt with the motions, and for example, if you wanted to edit this motion, you can, for example, select this frame, and for example this full body frame, and let's save these frames to edit in Blender. It's saved. Now let's load it using the load poses. So now you can see the two poses that was loaded, and now we can go to the first one, go to pose mode, edit, for example, the arm, put it a little bit up, and this one too. Let me select both, press K and select insert keyframe on available. Now let's go to the other frame, and I'm gonna move a little bit the arm up, and also this one. Let me select both bones, insert another keyframe, available, and now I'm gonna export the pose. I'm gonna save in the same place with a different name, Blender. And when you export this, it also copies the path to the clipboard, so you can just paste here and load the constraint, and you see it changed it a little bit. Now in Kimodo you can generate, so it's gonna generate the prompt using the poses that you updated in Blender. Just wait a little bit and it's done. Let's see, now going through the frames, you can see that it matches the poses that we did in Blender. And for example, now you want to use this animation in Blender, you can go to the export and select NPZ and download and save. Now back in Blender, I can select the load animation and select the file that I just exported from Kimodo, and it's going to generate the animation. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.